Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna discuss my opinion about how this Omicron is breaking havoc in Canada. Well, just a few weeks back we were seeing some relief and we were inching towards normalcy, where we saw more and more restrictions being lifted, international travel resumption, most importantly US Canada non-essential travel resumption. But what is the situation now? It's really not good and it's not going in the proper direction. We have seen like the province of Quebec bringing back some restrictions. Then similarly, like British Columbia also announced restriction. In Ontario also uh, there are restrictions, capacity limits, and there is like severe shortage of appointments for booster dosages. Like people have booked till February, and the management, the province, the government, the healthcare units, they are scrambling to add more and more appointments. So this is what is going on here now. Few things that are again returning is like support. Although support is a good thing, but it reminds us the tough time we had gone through. Like federal government have announced support for businesses and workers where the capacity has been reduced 50% or less. I'm gonna share the link with you in the description. You can read it out yourself. I won't go into the details and other things, but this is really not good. I mean, we can all can imagine how catastrophic it's gonna be, and this is especially really hard hitting just before the holiday season. Today is 22nd, and just a few days after we have like biggest festival. Like this is the festival weekend, and if somebody is losing their jobs because of the closures, imagine what's gonna happen to them and their family. I can't even imagine how bad it's gonna hurt. Now, I mean, now what's gonna happen tomorrow? We don't know because the cases are really going high, and now hospitalizations are also increasing. And when it comes to hospitalization, like there is a capacity, there's a limit. So, I mean, we need to. I mean, hopefully things come under control. Hopefully this wave goes down, because if you see South Africa, so I was reading a piece of article that there the cases are declining, so probably it is out of the wave, but here the cases are still climbing, so we are into the actual wave. So not sure like I mean when exactly this will go down, but as of now we really don't have any much information about it. We all are hopeful that maybe more restrictions won't be required, but until cases go down, it's really hard. And when the things are opening, and with this is the festival season, people are indoors, that's the best opportunity for the virus to spread. Now, the way to stop, I think, is the booster dosages. Or those who are unvaccinated, they should get the vaccine as early as possible. So I think now this is what I mean. This is what we all should do. Like I was lucky enough to get the booster uh, dose, but not sure. I mean, uh, I know there are thousands who haven't been able to, and there are people who have got appointments sometimes in February. So it's really not going good at this moment, but hopefully this comes under control. I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening here. Thanks for watching.